Okay, hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. Okay, this is going to be a very quick video how to enable your call action because I had an issue doing it. So what I'm going to be doing on my channel is whenever I face an issue on any of the applications, I'm going to use it to make a video so nobody else makes that kind of mistake or maybe stuff like that. When you're having this technical issue that you cannot make call on when you try calling somebody and it says having issues or is giving you any error trying to make a call on Twitter. So what you'd simply do is come to your profile, go to this settings and support right here. So you come to settings and support right here. Then you enter the settings and privacy, which you can see right here. Settings and privacy. Then you come in there. Then now you're going to go into you have your privacy and safety. So you come in there. Now when you're in privacy and safety, what you're going to do is go over to direct messaging. So that's what you there where you want to go to. So come into direct messaging. Now you want to make sure your settings are like this. Now after making sure your settings are like this, you're good to go, which is the first one having to be that having to be everyone. You want to make sure it's on everyone. You want to make sure this is enabled also, and also one last thing, you want to make sure this is on everyone also. This one is on everyone. These two are turned off. These two are turned off. Now the last option you can see read turn on. And once you do that, you'll be able to make a voice call or a video call on your Twitter. So have a nice day, guys, and peace.